Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that a lot of you have been asking: does NorthOne offer a mobile app? I know that a lot of people are looking for a mobile app to help them manage their finances, and I'm excited to be able to tell you that NorthOne does offer a mobile app. In this video, I'm going to be going over all of the features of the NorthOne mobile app, and I'll also be sharing some of my own personal experiences with using the app. So, if you're interested in learning more about the NorthOne mobile app, or if you're just looking for a great way to manage your finances, then please stick around. Before we get into the features of the NorthOne mobile app, I want to take a moment to talk about what NorthOne is. NorthOne is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. NorthOne is committed to providing its customers with a simple and easy-to-use banking experience. And that's why they offer a mobile app that makes it easy to manage your finances on the go. Features of the NorthOne mobile app. Now that we know what NorthOne is, let's take a look at the features of the NorthOne mobile app. Check your balance and transactions. You can easily check your balance and see your recent transactions in the app. Transfer money. You can transfer money between your NorthOne accounts or to other accounts. Pay bills. You can pay bills directly from the app. Set up alerts. You can set up alerts to be notified when your balance falls below a certain amount or when a new transaction is posted to your account. Manage your credit card. You can view your credit card balance, make payments, and see your transaction history. Apply for a loan. You can apply for a loan directly from the app. Get help. You can contact NorthOne customer support directly from the app. These are just a few of the many features that are available in the NorthOne mobile app. My personal experiences with using the NorthOne mobile app. I've been using the NorthOne mobile app for a few months now, and I've been very impressed with it. The app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. I've been able to easily check my balance, transfer money, and pay bills. I've also found the app to be very helpful in managing my credit card. I've been able to set up alerts to be notified when my balance is due, and I've been able to make payments easily. Overall, I've had a very positive experience with the NorthOne mobile app. I would highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a great way to manage their finances on the go. In conclusion, I'm very happy to say that NorthOne does offer a mobile app. The NorthOne mobile app is a great way to manage your finances on the go. It's user-friendly, easy to navigate, and packed with features. If you're looking for a great way to manage your finances, I highly recommend checking out the NorthOne mobile app. If you're interested in learning more about the NorthOne mobile app, please click on the link below. Thank you for watching.